Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Honda Odyssey Touring. This one is silver. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 with 280 horsepower and 264 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Gray leather interior. Sunroof. Rear seat entertainment. Third row seating. Odyssey touring badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seating, clean set of all season floor mats, keyless entry, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, different driving functions. This Honda Odyssey has 53,014 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 Honda Odyssey Touring, visit us at feldmanimports.com.